Welcome to Klaxon. We'll take a look at a quick demonstration on how admins send notifications and how recipients respond. This is the admin page. You can see 4 incidents already raised. You can click on an incident to view the message that was sent. To send a new notification, you click the large plus icon and select from your pre-configured templates. You can very easily create new templates or ad hoc messages. In this instance, we have selected a notification regarding a terrorist incident. Select the desired notification channels, make any required adjustments to the message, and then confirm the responses available for recipients to choose from. Click Next, and then select the location and/or group of people affected by the incident. When ready, click Send. It's that easy. We'll now switch to the recipient's view. This is the dashboard with a log of all incidents raised, and on the right-hand side you'll see a view of the mobile. The terrorist alert appears on the dashboard and on the mobile via an SMS alert and mobile app alert. Open SMS to view the message and respond accordingly. Open the app to respond or change your response. Switch back to the admin view, and you'll notice a number on each alert. This details the number of responses. Clicking the number allows you to see a breakdown of the responses, and this report can easily be exported to CSV. Keep your people safe, informed, and productive during adverse situations, and get in touch today if you have any questions.